finally made it to Heber Springs, and it actually is a beautiful day today. A nice, peaceful drive coming down here. But I wanted to take a quick bathroom break, so I came to the visitor center. It's called the William Carl Garner Visitor Center, and it was really nice when I went in. The customer service representative, he was a really nice guy, and he actually gave me a map. He gave me a map to Collins Creek Trail, which is the one that I'm going to, Mossy Bluff and Buckeye Trail, and there's another one called Josh Park Memorial Trail. All right, this is Collins Creek Trail. This is the one that I'm going to. So I'm going to go and check this one out. And he said it was really nice to hike that trail as well, and it's really not long, so I'm excited to get up here and take a little bit of a hike.
Arkansas 5 North. Continue on Arkansas 25 North for half a mile.
I made it. All right, so I just wanted to look at the water before I continue down this trail. It's so pretty down through here. Look at how the sun is hitting the leaves on the trees. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I'm going the right direction. When I was coming around this little curve, I saw some more water. It's just coming from where I just came from. It's just flowing down. All right, let's keep going. squirrel? It's too fun. Oh my gosh. I made it. All right. Let's get on this trail. There's two trails. One right there and one right there. Should we go right or should we go left? I'm going left. Hopefully the paths will meet up. Oh, uh-oh, wait a minute. There's a little, I guess there's a little bridge right there. All right, let's go. I see a lot of people camping out here. I don't know. Should I try camping? I don't know. Now, if I do try camping, I'm not going to go into like the middle of the woods or anything. I'm going to go to a nice park. What do they call it? Camping grounds or something like that. It's an open place where you can actually camp, or there's other people around you. So I might do it one day. I don't know. And it's right now I'm walking a gravel road. All right, you all. I am at the end of the trail. I just checked the app that I have, the Alltrails app, and it shows that I am at the end of the trail. It's a in and go back trail. It's not a loop. So I'm just gonna stop right here, turn around and go back the same way I came. And I just want to say thank you for coming on this hike with me. I had fun. I hope you did too. Something just to get out and just enjoy nature while the weather is still really nice and warm and it's not too hot. But I just want to show you all something before we turn back around.